This is Igbo Area TV. Imo State is one of the states in the southeast of Nigeria, located in the heart of IGBOLAND. Its capital is Owerri, the state's largest city and the state's main economic state in agriculture and commerce. It is a bustling state with a lot to offer in culture, history, and even business and investment opportunities. Jumia Travel, the leading online travel agency, shares 5 things about Owerri you probably didn't know. It has a zoological garden. Owerri, the capital, Imo State, is the home of the Naked Botanical Garden, a well-tended area for displaying varieties of plant labeled with their botanical names. It's a spectacular garden on a large landscape with ever-changing beauty. It's one of the major tourist attractions of Imo State. Some hotels to lodge in while visiting include Rock View Hotels, Santiago Suite, etc. It's the location of the Amadioha Shrine. Well, this is not exactly a place the majority might want to visit, but some might find it interesting to know Imo State is the location of the shrine of the famous deity Amadioha. Amadioha is the Igbo traditional god of lightning and thunder. The Amadioha shrine is particularly situated in Ngobala local government area of Imo State. It has its very own signature hill, peculiar to the state alone. The rolling hills of Okigwe is located in the northeastern part of Imo State. It possesses very attractive and appealing qualities that list it as one of the major tourist attractions in Imo State and in Nigeria. The hill consists of a series of expanding hills with varying heights and ruggedness. It's indeed a fascinating attraction and one of nature's finest works. The hill provides a suitable site for camping and picnicking with friends and family, and is a great site to enjoy the endowments of nature. The state was named after the Imo River. Imo State came into existence in 1976 after the Nigerian Civil War. It was originally part of the now-defunct East Central State created in 1967 by General Yakubu Gowon. The state was created at Ngoma, named after the Imo River. After the state creation, part of it was later split off in 1991 as Abia State and another part became Ebonyi State. 15 places to go and things to do in Owerri. Welcome to the heart of IGBOLAND, Owerri. Owerri is the capital of Imo State in Nigeria. It is bordered by the Otamiri River to the east and the Wari River to the south. The Owerri slogan is Heartland. With its high density of spacious hotels, high street casinos, production studios and high-quality center of relaxation, Owerri is a hub of activities and events for tourists. An endearing mix of everything Igbo and the inevitably of modernization. To the heart of the matter, here are some of Owerri's sights and sound. Number 1. National Museum Owerri. The National Museum in Owerri was established in 1988. The museum's collection is ethnographic and it has a permanent exhibition of money and household utensils depicting the way of life of the early settlers in Owerri. It also contains some relics from the Civil War. Number 2. Mbari Cultural and Art Center. Owerri is a true Igbo city, and like any other, it's fiercely proud of its cultural history. One place to appreciate this cultural phenomenon is the Mbari Cultural and Art Center. It is an open space museum that carefully shelters prized artifacts of Igbo heritage. The center is divided into 3 sections made up of the Mbari Museum Kitchen, Mbari House, and the Amphitheater. Number 3. Owerri Amusement Park. Created for relaxation and entertainment for families, visitors and children within the Owerri community, this park has fun and games for everyone. Number 4. Imo Plantation Complex. Formerly known as Ada Palm Plantation Complex, this massive palm plantation complex sits on 4,310 hectares of land in Imo State. It is the largest oil plantation in West Africa and the location for one of Nigeria's economic mainstays before the discovery of oil. It was set up in 1974 with the planting of the palm trees done by Okpabi Aseka in 1976, while the first civilian governor of Imo State, the late Chief Samuel Ononakambakwe, built the mill in 1983. Here, palm kernels are harvested and proceeded from start to finish to produce palm oil. Number 5. Ogata Lake. The biggest lake aside from Lake Chad in Nigeria. The lake was a port for the evacuation of palm products in the colonial era and as well a marine base for the Biafran Navy during the Civil War. Referred to as Obuide or Ohamiri by Ogata locals, the lake has attracted a lot of visitors and tourists over the years. Unlike most other natural lakes you will come across, the water of Ogata are pristine, not salty, and do not harbor any dangerous animals. Hence, they are conducive for swimming and sightseeing. While visiting the lake, you can either go with swimming trunks or have a picnic at its banks and do some fishing. The spectacular confluence of the Blue Lake and Urashi River also is a sight to behold. The Ogata Lake is blue in color, while Urashi is muddy in outlook, but they never mix up. Any attempt of scooping water from one to the other will manifest a gradual separation of both, even within a container. Wow. Number 6. Ogata Lake Holiday Resorts. Just beside the Ogata Lake is the Ogata Lake Holiday Resort. The lake resort has one of the best facilities dedicated to hospitality in Nigeria. These include a golf course with 18 standard international holes, relic of war constructed by the defunct Biafran Navy during Civil War, national confluence of Ogata Lake and Urashi River, cruise boat services, golf club, bar house for refreshments, a luxury hotel for lodging and feeding, as well as a recreation park. Number 7. Try some ofe nsala. Popularly known as white soup, ofe nsala is indigenous to Ogata Lake region. Made with fresh fish from the lake, it is usually eaten with pounded yam or starch. Number 8. Naked Zoo. The Naked Zoo is located in Owerri, West Local Government area of the state. The Zoological Garden established in 1976 under the State Ministry of Agriculture as an animal park. The Naked Zoological Garden, which sits on 10 hectares of reserved forest, houses a variety of animals including lions, chimpanzees, monkeys, pythons, ostriches, and crocodiles, among other animals. Number 9. Owerri Mall. Come over to Owerri Mall with its pleasant aesthetics. It is a prime hangout spot within the city. Grab a movie at the cinema or burger and fries at the food court. Shop for anything and everything at affordable retail stores, or just come to chill with friends. There's always something for everyone at the mall. Number 10. Dan Anyam Stadium. Dan Anyam Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium located in Owerri, Imo State. Located in the center of Owerri, the capital of Imo State, the stadium is named after Dan Anyam, vice captain of the first Nigerian national football team. It is used mostly for association, football matches, and is the home stadium of Heartland FC, the Heartland Football Club. The stadium has a capacity of 10,000 people. Number 11. Maria Azomta Cathedral. Azomta Cathedral is located at the Villa Azomta, Owerri, Imo State. This church was built in 1948 to serve as a place of worship for Catholic people. It is notable as the seat of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese. The Azomta Church became an archdiocese in May 26, 1994. The Azomta Cathedral is one of the largest Catholic churches in Nigeria and is the seat of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese. As befitting an archdiocese, its cathedral has the most magnificent and architectural details, as though the workmanship was born of the Nomenus. Number 12. Channel O. This place is one of the oldest and most popular spots in Owerri. It is best known for its delicious shawarma, prepared in hygienic conditions. Probably the best place to buy shawarma. You are guaranteed of getting your money's worth. You can get chicken shawarma for 700 naira and 600 naira for beef shawarma. You can also include sausages or go out for mix of chicken and beef, or even just extra beef, depending on your preference. 13. Ukumango Home. Ukumango, home to arguably Owerri's best pepper soup. Popular amongst the locals, everything from fresh fish pepper soup to goat pepper soup is money well spent. Number 14. Ofoba. Literally means oil bean soup. This delicacy is indigenous to Imo State. It is like okra soup but with shredded oil being added. Number 15. Ofowerri. Ofowerri literally means Owerri soup. As a popular Igbo saying goes, can a poor man eat Ofowerri? The soup is fairly expensive as an important ingredient is assorted meats. Despite the cost, it is worth every kobo spent. These are just a few tips about IGBOLAND Owerri. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.